really.
And for many of us, this seems like, a video game. That's, it's that sort of technology. But I suppose you can use it in so many different. We've talked briefly about manufacturing. We've talked about healthcare, but presumably the potential is endless.
It is endless. I think one of the things we really have to do is focus, because you can think about a million different ways to use this technology. You could imagine 101 ways for each one of the things that you could do, but we are hyper-focused on three things. It's really training, the remote assistance, and then that visualization of 3D data. Any real application that's going to have value today is going to be some combination of those three things, and that's where we're seeing the market really come to Magic Leap forward.
So obviously you're saying the potential is endless, but presumably at this stage there are some barriers to adoption. There are some issues to think about from the other angle.
I think for enterprise, we've never had a moment where there are fewer barriers to actually entry. We've got incredible hardware platforms. I think the content ecosystem has finally reached a critical mass where we can deliver true value to them. But that'll be the thing that really has to evolve. I think that as the content ecosystem gets bigger and bigger, you'll see a faster and faster adoption rate with the technology. On the consumer side, I think what you're looking at is really seeing those devices come down in size. You're going to need to see smaller form factor, more compute power, smaller batteries. That'll come in time. I think as more and more people bring these devices to market, it'll also speed up adoption. But AR is difficult. It's not easy to do. It's really the optics. It's so incredibly difficult to create the optics that allow you to see these digital images in the physical space. And you can see that a number of companies have pushed their launches of their devices out because it's really hard. And we've seen it because so many companies have now come to Magic Leap looking to leverage the IP we have in our optical stack and the manufacturing plant that we have in the US to help speed them along. We've actually just signed 2 contracts with big technology companies who are looking to speed up their own AR roadmap by using Magic Leap technology and our manufacturing to get their optics off the ground.